to say that if I was richer, I'd still be richer. Now ain't that some shit? And although that's pain in my chest, I still wish you the best. Fuck you.
Hi, I'm Tarjan, and I am single.
Yes, he is Tarjan, the king of jungle of Paca Malam. Yet, he is alone alongside with the animals. Until one day, he decided to change his life.
Then he throws out his ugly voice.
All animals heard his voice and gathered to Tarjan's place. Now I introduce you. Funny clownfish, SpongeBob, Mr. Froggy, Mr. Snake, Mr. Lizard, Mr. Tapeworm, and Big Bird.
Stop yell, you sting. You make me lose my appetite, no?
Yeah, why are you yelling?
I have decided to find a partner to take care of me for the rest of my life. I need all of you to tell me your experience on reproduction. Starting with you, Mr. SpongeBob.
Hey, what a weird animal of you. Well, I'm just like you. I have no partner. I reproduce through budding. A small part of me, bud from me, and then poof, a new me.
Eh, that easy? No wonder no one likes you. What about you, Flatworm? You look lonely too.
Of course I am. I reproduce through fragmentation. I need to break my head, my arms, and my legs. Then the parts will regenerate to my new cute baby.
I see. It is hard to be you, right? But I have only one question. How do you break your arms and your legs? You are Flatworm, right? Flatworm's supposed to have no legs.
You look handsome.
What the fuck?
I am sorry. I am phytogenesis. All this day, I have only sat with myself.
Oh, you mean masturbation?
No, it's just one part of my body acts as female and the other part acts as male. Thank God. This is all caused by hormone. If not, my species will not survive.
Lucky you. I need to be a lesbian for my species to survive. When there is no man in my place, I need to be a man because I'm the biggest. You know what they call me?
A bitch?
No. Hermaphroditism. I learned a year to pronounce the word.
Poor lizard, poor flatworm, poor SpongeBob, poor clownfish. Thank God that God created a girl for me. I undergo external fertilization. And my favorite place for sex is water because it's not a hostile environment. And I and my wife is our gamete simultaneously. Before I die, send my regret to my wife.
Oh.
Thanks, Snake. Poor frog. What about you, buddy?
Oh, what, Tarzan? Now it's my turn. Whew, shit. Actually, I'm very shy to tell you about my reproductive. But because of you handsome, I will tell you. My marriage only lasts for 2 days. My wife said that my penis is very small. I'm very sad. But I use my cloaca to extend to be my penis. That's why my wife is very light.
And unlike Mr. Frog, where is Mr. Frog? Oh, he dead already. I undergoes internal reproduction. That is why I can feel every inch of my wife. And one more thing, one strategy to keep my baby survive is called oviparity. You know oviparity, Mr. I think you don't know because you're very stupid, right? That is why you live in hutan. And I very hate of my wife because she developed the baby inside his body, but she left the baby until it hatched. Ooh, I very hate. What is it? What is it? I don't know you. Wait, please.
You tell that
Huh?
I remind my wife.
Oh, okay.
She protect his egg until it hatch.
So your wife and my wife is same?
No.
Oh, no.
You know what? That's why my relative is called ovoviviparity. I repeat, ovoviviparity.
I think Tarzan does not know too.
Oh, for the reading hey Tarzan, can I eat this bird?
Oh, no. Wait.
He look tasty. Tarzan.
Wait. Hello, honey. Sarang hai. Okay, you can eat me now.
Turn to chicken, right?